Today, we will show you 3 IoT applications for our fixed and mobile IoT solutions: messaging, fleet tracking, and fishing. Here, we have a network with an iDirect IoT hub and terminal. We will use the MQTT software to message between the Eclipse Mosquito MQTT broker and MQTT-X clients at land and satellite ends running on a Raspberry Pi. Let's start by configuring the NMS for TCP and the destination port. Next, we configure the terminal for TCP and the local receive port to be used. Pointing the terminal to the Ka or Ku band satellite easily using a smartphone app. The iDirect IoT terminal quickly initializes, acquires GPS, and locks on the satellite beam. The NMS receives a request from the terminal, authenticates it based on active plan, and returns key information on TDMA timing slots and IP protocol/port mapping back to the terminal. Using the MQTT broker and client software, we are now showing how the MQTT broker connects to the LAN-side MQTT-X client. Next, let's connect the satellite remote MQTT-X client. For this demo, we'll manually emulate data from a temperature sensor. The temperature sensor at the satellite remote site raises an alert above 70 degrees Celsius. The LAN side returns a message to turn off all non-critical equipment. The satellite remote responds that the site is cooling and below 40 degrees Celsius. The LAN side returns instruction to turn the equipment on one by one whilst monitoring temperature. You can see it's easy to set up IoT messaging to enable communication to and from remote devices. Here, we have a network with an iDirect IoT hub and the dynamic IoT terminal on a vehicle. The fleet management systems can easily transmit location information coordinates on a regular basis and track the vehicles on a map. Geofences are easy to set up. The system will alert when terminals enter or leave an area. A message to the driver can be sent to query the reason for being outside the geofence zone. Prioritized SOS messaging is also supported to ensure safety and a fast response. Here we have a network with an iDirect IoT hub. The iDirect Dynamic IoT Terminal is providing connectivity from the fishing vessel. The connectivity to the IoT terminal allows fisheries to use OLSPS to monitor vessel locations. It has been thoroughly tested and works well.